Welcome to Wendy Bright Production channel. How to make your brown powder or your compact disc powder at home. I have a video on how to make your white or talc powder. Okay, just go to my description or my comment section. So these are your ingredients. Believe me, after watching this video, you'll be making your own powder at home. You will no longer buy powder again. So now let's start. To your foundation, you add a little water and then add your white powder. You can also start by adding your white powder before adding water, but this particular method I add little water, then I now added my white powder. So now you stir very well. You can still be adding the white powder so that the foundation and the white powder will mix very well. So what happened there was just me stirring and mixing the white powder with the foundation. That's all. Just stir, mix to get to this point. Like I said before, I have a video on how to make your white powder at home. So go to my description or my comment section, you'll see the link there. Like this video, share and comment. So now I'll be adding my cocoa powder. You can also use coffee if you have, but let's use cocoa powder. I just added my cocoa powder. Like I want to get, there's a color I want to get, so it depends on the color you want to get. So you just need to gradually add your cocoa powder. Gradually add your cocoa powder to brown it and also to get the exact color you want. Maybe the color of your skin or the exact color you want. I'm still adding the cocoa powder. You can also use coffee powder if you have. So now I've gotten the color I need, and I'm adding to my compact disc. Just add to your compact disc. As you can see, it has dried. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.